Hello everyone, Wolfie here, coming at you with another one. Now this one is going to be a little different than what we have done before. I've got a little something special here. This one is actually going to be an unboxing. And what I've got here that we're going to be unboxing is the iPhone XS Max. ASMR. Fly just flew. So here's our box. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? Designed by Apple in California. And we have some cards here. Hello. And looks like a little manual there. Behind that, we have the iPhone XS Max, which has three options available. There is a 512 gig option, a 256, and a 64 gig option. And the cost for this is $1,100. You paid $1,100 for this? So let's go ahead and remove these stickers here that are on it. And it is very sleek looking, I might add. Now let's see if we can power it on. Maybe the battery will have some juice to it. Ah, and there we go. Just turned on. While that is powering on, let's see what else we have in the box here, shall we? I'll just put that right there. So here we have our Lightning power brick, 5 watts. And also in here, we have some headphones. And I believe this has a mic attached to it like other Apple products, and it does. And then behind that, those are our headphones, by the way. And that's our power brick. And behind this, we have our USB Lightning cable. So it looks like that is everything in the box here. And I believe our phone has powered on. Let's go ahead and take a look. And there we go. Hello. Hola. Here we have our unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you could leave a like and subscribe. I'm Wolfie, and I'll see you next time.